Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to deactivate storage location in SAP S/4HANA. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. I want to restrict 7001 storage location. Even I don't want to see that storage location in drop-down list in F4 help. Now we are able to see this 7001 storage location. How we can restrict? I will show this. Now go to the transaction code SPRO, enter transaction code SPRO. Now press enter key. Click on SAP reference IMG. Expand enterprise structure, expand definition, expand material management. Here execute maintain storage location. Enter your plant, click on right mark. I want to restrict 7001 storage location. In the third column we can see valid option. Just change this valid option to no longer valid. Okay, once you change the option, click on save button. Save it in separate TR in real time. Click on right mark. Now come back. Go to the transaction code ME22N transaction. Now press enter key. Now I am going to change this storage location. First I will check whether 7001 storage location in F4 help system showing or not. Just click on this icon. Click on enter button. Yes, system not showing the 7001 storage location. If I enter this 7001 storage location forcefully, what happens? Just I am going to enter 7001 storage location. Now press enter key. Now click on check button. Close this one. Save this purchase order. Now try to do GR, goods receipt. Okay. Enter transaction code MIGO. Now press enter key. It is taking little bit longer time. Enter the purchase order. Now press enter key. Storage location we are seeing 7001. Select item OK checkbox. Click on check button. Yes, system restricting to post material to this storage location. Now close this window. Again go back to SPRO, enter /n, SPRO, press enter key, click on SAP reference IMG, expand enterprise structure, expand definition, expand material management, execute maintain storage location, enter your plant, click on right mark. Now in this case, I'm going to switch deprecated option. Just select this option, click on save button, click on right mark. Now go back to goods receipt screen again. Enter transaction code MIGO, press enter key. Now enter the purchase order, press enter key. Storage location we are able to see 7001. Select item OK checkbox. Click on check. Migo screen not allowing to post this material document to this storage location. Now click on right mark. Now check in the F4 help we are able to see or not this 7001 storage location. Yes, we are able to see, but we can't use this storage location. Now close this window. Again go back to SPRO. Now press enter key. Click on SAP reference IMG, expand enterprise structure, expand definition, expand material management, execute maintain storage location of enter your plant, click on right mark. I am going to change this option to valid. Select valid, click on save button, click on right mark, go back, enter transaction code MIGO, press enter key. Now I am going to try to post this purchase order. Click on OK. Click on check. Yes, system allowing to post this purchase order. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.